Did you know that kids are watching more YouTube than adults, driving millions, sometimes billions of views for their favorite videos? Faceless animated channels operate as virtual cash machines, pulling in millions of dollars annually. Take one popular channel, for instance. It pumps out lively, kid-friendly animations and racks up thousands of views per video. Social Blade estimates its monthly earnings is as high as $25,000 from ads only. And the best part is that kids' videos are faceless, so no need for showing your face or making investment for a camera. You can do the entire process with AI and set it on autopilot. Here is the video we will create together today.
The whole zoo came to life. It was like someone flipped a switch. The elephants were breakdancing, the monkeys were DJing, and the penguins...
In the end of this video, you will be able to create this type of kids' videos with AI. Let's dive in. Let's start the fun. Step 1. Brainstorming. And I'm asking ChatGPT to help big time. I say, give me some cool, kid-friendly animated story ideas for YouTube. In just seconds, it throws out tons of fun ideas. I scroll through to find one I love. This looks very interesting, but I want more. So I ask again, okay, now make some awesome stories perfect for kids who love talking animals. Also provide video prompts for stories. It is important to ask for prompts at this stage, as we will use them in next steps. And again, in a very short time, ChatGPT hands me a pile of super neat ideas with video prompts. Now I pick the best one and jump into making a video that kids will go crazy for. I think we can continue with this one. Yes, before we start production, let's take a moment in step 2 to get to know the tool we'll be using. I recently discovered this tool, and it's called Invideo AI. You can create videos just by putting your ideas into words. As you can see, the image quality is quite impressive and rich. It only requires text input from you and uses that to generate visuals automatically. It's highly effective. You can produce content in various formats and styles. This way, even with a single sentence prompt, you can create top-quality videos. Plus, if you want to make edits, you can do so using prompts as well. The tool comes with a massive stock library, and it can also generate AI-powered media content and offers music you can use. As I mentioned, it brings all these features together to create videos using just your words. It's a truly remarkable tool. In this tutorial, we'll create a children's video, but if you'd like to see a more detailed and different Invideo tutorial video, you can click the link in the top right corner of the screen to check it out. In this step, we'll start creating our video. First, we'll take the prompt we previously prepared. If you remember, we chose this story. I'm copying the video prompt section from it. Then, by signing up on the page accessible via the link I'll provide below, we'll get to Invideo. After registering, a screen will appear. You can paste the prompt directly here. One important thing to note is that we need to specify the video's duration. As you can see, with a single simple sentence, everything's set, and we can start the production. Once production begins, Invideo presents us with some options. These simple choices help ensure the video turns out the way we want. For example, it asks whether we'd like to use stock media or generative media. For this tutorial, I'll go with generative media. Next, it asks about the visual style. I'll leave it as animation. It also asks about the target audience, offering options like children, families, and animal-themed content. Let's stick with children. For the platform, we can choose between YouTube, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. I'll keep it as YouTube. With these settings, we can proceed to production. The process takes a few minutes to complete. Since we're using generative media, it might take a bit longer. Now let's review the video step by step. Afterward, we'll edit it and look at the final version.
Hi there. I'm Tom. Everything was quiet, just like you'd expect. We're breakdancing, the monkeys were DJing, and the penguins... Oh man, the penguins were doing the disco ball.
Yes, even in this form, The video looks quite enjoyable. It's ready to use and better than many videos out there. But before showing you the final version, I'll make a few edits. I'll finalize it and walk you through how the editing systems work together. In this step, I'll show you how to edit the video we created. We have 3 options for this: modifying via the prompt, the script, or the media. Let's start with the prompt method. I'll demonstrate it quickly. We return to the video creation area and simply type the changes we want. For example, I'll add subtitles. Now, I'll fast forward a bit to let the changes take effect. Let's see how it turned out.
Hi, first night. It was just before. But then, like someone flipped a switch. I saw lions and zebras playing limbo together.
As you can see, single-word subtitles were added in a simple font, just as we wanted. Next, I'll show you how to edit via the script. To do this, go to the Edit section and select Script. Here, you can view the entire script and make any changes you like. For instance, you could replace Tom with Byla or update the name of the zoo. Once you save these script changes, the video's audio and subtitles will automatically update. Similarly, by switching to the Media tab, you can review each scene individually. You can replace them with other stock or generative media. Clicking My Stock Media will show you Invidio's built-in stock visuals, where you can choose or search for options. Alternatively, just like when we created the video, you can generate new scenes with generative media. You could even write and produce a new scene to add back into the video. These changes are incredibly easy to make. Plus, you can adjust the music settings, such as the track itself or the volume, from this section too. As you can see, it's a simple yet comprehensive set of editing tools, and you don't need advanced technical skills to use them. Let's see the final result together.
Hi there. I'm Tommy, the new night guard at Wildville Zoo. You won't believe what I saw on my first night. It was just before midnight, and I was doing my usual rounds. Everything was quiet, just like you'd expect. But then, the clock struck 12, and suddenly, the whole zoo came to life. It was like someone flipped a switch. The elephants were breakdancing, the monkeys were DJing, and the penguins... Oh man, the penguins were doing the conga. I saw lions and zebras playing limbo together. Can you believe it? And get this, the giraffes were using their long necks as disco balls. It was the wildest party I've ever seen. Animals from every continent were having the time of their lives. But as dawn approached, they all rushed back to their spots. By the time my shift ended, everything was quiet again. If it weren't for the confetti in my hair, I might have thought it was all a dream.
I think the video is fantastic. The visuals and storyline are attractive for young kids. If you'd like to create videos for children too, why not start honing your AI skills today with Invideo AI? Check out the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.